6 and M278. For the installation, we use the right chain tensioner as an example. After the cylinder head is exposed, cover the chain chamber with a suitable cloth. This way no small parts can fall in. Now put the check valve in the hole provided. The closed side with the ball goes towards the back. The open side with the threads towards the front. A spring in the check valve controls the supply of oil to the cylinder head and keeps the oil pressure constant, preventing the chain from rattling. With the help of the press fit tool, you can press the check valve into the hole flush. Screw it into the cylinder head surface. Then turn the pressure screw until the plate is flush with the cylinder head surface. The check valve is thereby pressed into the hole.